Hello everyone, I am Mehek from Uno Learning. Today I'll be talking to Mitesh who took online classes from Uno Learning. Let's hear his journey and experience.
See, first of all, I'll tell you one thing. Online learning is going to be part and parcel of the life now because of this COVID pandemic. It was very helpful. She got a student like me, and I got a teacher like her.
Yes. Hi Mitesh, how are you?
I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm good. So can you tell us a little about yourself and why did you opt for IELTS?
Okay. Currently, I'm working in Bank of America as an analyst, and I'm having 6 years of experience in IT industry.
Okay.
And the reason being I opted for IELTS is that I wanted to shift to some countries like Canada or Australia.
Okay.
So then I boiled down to Canada, and that was the main reason I went for IELTS because that is the basic requirement when you have to shift abroad.
Yes.
So
Okay. How did you get to know about Uno Learning?
nobody actually told me about this. I was just doing searching on Google and all that. So I then I boiled down to two three institutions where I felt that I would be able to get good exposure.
Yeah.
But then it was just a gut feeling, I guess. when I spoke to
Yeah,
when
but
I
it must be something which would have pushed you to, choose
Yes,
out of those two, three that
yes,
you.
I'm coming to that. Then I happened to spoke to Sunita ma'am.
Oh,
So I did not meet her at all throughout my life. But then when I spoke to her, it was a kind of that I was knowing her for ages, and I could just connect with her that she would be able to help me out. She would be the perfect guide for me to overcome my shortcomings and all. So then I just went through with that. I did not even think twice after speaking to Sunita ma'am. So that was the one reason, I guess.
great. Uh, and did you take some demo classes or did you go through the material, some online material, which, again pushed you that, learning is the one that I should go for?
Yes, ma'am did gave me few links to go through at Learning site, and I the thing was that I approached ma'am prior to 1 month of my examination date.
Okay.
So then I just told her that I just need a few practice mock tests,
Yes.
with someone who will be able to help me and overcome my shortcomings. So I did not want to fumble during my exam basically
Yeah.
because it's you can say it's an effort of 3 or 4 months. So I go to job and I didn't have much time to prepare for it
Yes.
because I would just get to prepare either at nights or on weekends properly. So I had put in lots of efforts for 3 months. Then I approached ma'am. Then she gave me a few mock tests to prepare on. Then it was a very holistic approach. We just went by session and session, and I could see improvement by the end of fourth mock test. So
Great. So, can you tell us a little about which course did you take in Learning and how
it
was
was
your
a
experience? Yeah.
crash course basically. I just took four mock tests.
Okay.
As I aforementioned, I just wanted few practice mock tests because I was not able to get anywhere else. So
Okay.
just a kind of, you can say, simulation of the examination environment.
Understood.
So ma'am prepared tasks for me.
Okay.
So see, IELTS involves reading, writing, and listening. So reading is just up to you how you grab it, how fast you go through the paras, and how quickly you understand and everything. But when it comes to listening and speaking and writing yeah, writing too. So when it comes to listening also, you have to be very attentive to the person who is speaking,
Yeah.
and you have to get used to that accent, American accent as well as the British accent. So that is completely up to you how do you take it. There are few tricks which eventually help you to get good marks
Yeah.
and process of elimination and everything. But then you have to be very attentive. That is the foremost thing as far as listening is concerned. But when it comes to writing, you know by the time you are proficient enough to speak in English, because if you are working in an IT industry or anywhere, any good company where communication skills are mostly in English, But then when it comes to writing, you are not used to writing at that point of time because you have left schools and colleges and everything.
Yeah.
So you know, okay, you know, you might have that. Some people are overconfident on that. You know, you would be able to write very properly, but when it comes to actual writing, you really, you know, go through
So
lots of
how did
stress.
Uno help? Like, did they give you some tips, tricks, or some strategies? What was their approach to helping you with just mock tests, that too?
Yes, yes. So, ma'am gave me few tasks on writing and on all the four skills, but I would come to writing first. So she gave me tasks, and it was time-based task. I had to finish it off in 30 minutes, 45 minutes. There were two tasks
Okay.
in each session. So I wrote I finished the tasks, and then after that we had a session, a 30-minute session where we would intrigue each and everything, whatever I had written, the mistakes which I don't know. That little small things really help you to get good marks. That's a, you know, you can climb to that one pointer instead of attaining 6 out of 8 or 9, you attain 7 out of 9.
Yeah.
And with the basic requirement of IELTS exam is 8,777, so you have to score 7 anyhow
Yeah.
to get a good CRS score eventually. So those few tricks, you know, the flow of the writing material and the use of vocabulary, you know, those things matter a lot. So that's where she helped me, and you know, then you actually realize, you know, that how much you lack actually. You
Yes.
really feel that you know good English, but your grammar has to be very very perfect if you have the good marks.
Great. So lastly, I would also want to know if you would recommend Learning and why. What is that one feature which stood out for you throughout your journey, and why you would ask anybody who's preparing for IELTS to go for Uno?
See, the first thing that, you know, comes to my mind is Sunita ma'am. Absolutely,
Yeah.
because the way she taught me, the way she handled me, the way she took out time for me, because she also had to teach multiple students,
Yeah.
and she literally took out time for me. So it's a kind of, you know, win-win situation for me as well as her, because uh, she got a student like me and I got a teacher like her. So yeah, that way it was very helpful. And yeah, even it was 10 p.m. in the night, she didn't hesitate, you know, to schedule a meeting with me. So sometimes, you know, you have big institutions but they don't adjust with, or you know, are flexible enough with your timings.
Yes.
Since I'm an office goer, so that really helped me a lot. And yeah, and she is experienced enough to, you know, to tell you to ask you about, to tell you about your mistakes, and you know, to ask you make amendments on those things. Even if you do it repeatedly, she is kind enough to, you know, just point it out that this is where you're lacking.
Yeah.
So that's where these things matter a lot. The relationship between a student and a teacher matters a lot. If you have that camaraderie, then you know, it really helps in your eventual examination.
Yes, yes, perfect. Lastly, Mitesh, I would like to know from you any parting advice you have for people who are preparing for IELTS, especially for an online platform, because a lot of people, a lot of times, are hesitant to opt for online learning. So, any advice you have for them?
See, firstly, I would like to say that, you know, give yourself enough time for this IELTS exam. Okay, it costs around 13K right now. So just don't think that, you know, yeah, I'll be giving it once. Then if I fail, if I don't get 8,777, I'll be giving it again. Don't play with your money first of all. Fine. And the second part is that give at least 3 to 4 months for it. Practice daily. And the reason why I succeeded in getting 8877 was that I practiced daily. Whenever I got time in office also,
Yeah,
I did not go. See, somewhere you have to make compromise if you want to achieve something. So
yeah,
instead of going to canteen to have tea, or you know, just chill around with your friends for an hour and half an hour,
yeah,
you can take out that time to do a small task of listening. So I practice my listening like that. I never practice listening at home. I always practice listening in office. So I had just scheduled that routine for myself, that this is what I have to do on daily basis.
great.
So, and yeah, ultimately you have to, it's basically the kind of tricks you possess after going through lots of videos and practice sessions. These tricks only, make you stand out to get 8 instead of 6 or 7 or 6.5.
Yeah.
And eventually you will not be giving the exam again. So
So, any last words on online learning, on how it was? There are a lot of institutes out there also which are offering IELTS, but you opted for an online learning. So, anybody who's wishing to opt for an online learning platform, why should they go for it?
see, first of all, I'll tell you one thing. Online learning is going to be part and parcel of your life now because of this COVID pandemic. Okay. So there's nothing called as online, offline. If you really want to study, if you really want to, get or get yourself educated from somewhere, you have different platforms. You just have to find the right platform to, get yourself enriched with the knowledge you want to have. So yeah, and I got learning, so that was perfect for me. It's just a perfect example actually.
Yeah.
It was pre COVID situation, but even in I mean, this is going to be, what do you say? It is going to be a part of a curriculum now.
Yes, it's going
This
to be
online learning.
normal.
Yeah, new normal, absolutely new normal. We have meetings every day, online. We do it online. We have forgotten now how our office looks now.
True, true.
It's been 4 months.
Yeah.
So
Thank you so much, Mitesh. We are glad that Learning could help you and get you the score that you wanted.
yeah,
Thank you so
it
much.
was my pleasure. My pleasure. Absolutely my
Thank you
pleasure.
for taking out the time for this. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
So there you heard it. The best online courses are the ones that focus on you and your learning, like we do at UNO. At UNO, you get access to live classes. You can revisit your classes whenever you want, and you're taught by the industry experts. To know more about UNO, log into our website today. You can also register for a demo class where you can experience our live classroom before enrolling for the course. See you at UNO Learning.